Good morning to one and all. On behalf of TCS Trivandrum, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this gathering and to Kerala. The word Keralam is derived from two words, Kera, which means coconut, and Alam, which means land. Hence Kerala, as you must have noticed by now, is the land of coconut trees. The mother tongue of Kerala is Malayalam, and we Keralites are called Malayalis. Our rich cultural heritage has been derived from three cultures and three religions, Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. We recently happened to celebrate Kerala Day or Kerala Piravi on the 1st of November. According to our ancient myths, Parashurama, a warrior sage, is said to have retrieved Kerala from the sea by throwing his axe into the sea on this particular day. We will inaugurate the function by lighting the auspicious lamp. The lamp is an integral part of our culture. By lighting the lamp, we honor fire. It is believed that the first sloka of Rig Veda starts by praising fire. The lighting of the lamp signifies the removal of darkness by welcoming light and prosperity. It is also believed that the sound which is produced when a lamp is lit is Om, the first sound that is believed to have been produced in the universe. If you notice the structure of our lamp, it's very interesting. The base is considered to be Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma is the creator of the universe. The stem is considered to be Lord Vishnu, or the preserver of the universe. The top portion that holds the ghee is considered to be Lord Shiva, or the destructor of evil. We consider the wick to be goddess Lakshmi, the flame to be goddess Saraswati, and the heat that emanates from the flame to be goddess Parvati. I now invite Mr. Raj Nui to please light the lamp and inaugurate the function. We have something special planned for you today. An edekya is an hourglass-shaped drum, traditionally used as a part of the Panchavaidyam, an instrumental musical art form of Kerala. Played with a stick, this drum is considered to be very auspicious. During pujas in Kerala temples, it is a custom to play the edekya as an accompaniment to singing. I invite Sri Rudran to please come forward and show our guests the edekya. The two faces of the edekya represent the sun and the moon. The central stem is called the shariram, or the body of the drum. The two strings at the edge form the jivatma, the soul, and the paramatma, or the supreme soul. Here we have Sri Rudran to play the edekya, accompanied by Vishak, who will sing the sopanam for you. Sopana Sangeetam is a form of Indian classical music that developed in the temples of Kerala in the wake of the increasing popularity of Jayadeva's Geeta Govinda. The name derives from two Malayalam words, Sopanam and Sangeetam. Sopanam refers to the sacred steps to the main shrine of a temple, and Sangeetam refers to music. Over to Sri Rudran and Vishak.
वंदे मुकुंद हरि जय शौर्य संतापहारी मुरारे द्वापर चंद्रिका चर्चितमानिंदे द्वारकापुरिये विडे പീലിത്തിളക്കവും കോലക്കുഴൽ പാട്ടും അമ്പാടി പൈക്കളുമെവിടെ ക്രൂരവിഷാദശരം കൊണ്ടു നീറുമി നെഞ്ചിലെന്നാത്മപ്രണാമം പ്രേമസ്വരൂപനാം സ്നേഹസതീർത്ഥന്റെ കാൽക്കലിൻ കണ്ണീർ പ്രണാമം Krishna Krishna